Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Magnetic Toys is probably one of the most fascinating and versatile toys available today. They offer a unique blend of fun and education, allowing for the creation of various structures and shapes. From simple building blocks to complex sculptures, these toys stimulate imagination and problem-solving skills. Whether you're a kid or an adult, the possibilities are truly endless, making them a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a creative outlet. Number 5. Magnetic Tiles STEM Educational Toys for Kids. These magnetic tiles help toddlers learn colors, numbers, and shapes. It's a great building toy for kids to create houses and animals. It also introduces them to basic math and science concepts. This easy-to-handle magnetic tile set is safe for kids. The 32-piece kit is perfect for beginners. The standard size makes it compatible with other major brands. You can play many games with these magnetic blocks, like puzzles and shadow games. They inspire hours of playtime. It helps children develop math, science, and spatial skills. It's a great way to enhance your child's STEM learning while having fun. It's a fun way to create memorable family bonding. It keeps them away from screen time. These magnet building blocks are perfect for any occasion. It's a great gift for kids ages 3 to 8. Kids will definitely love this magnet toy. What we like. This set is perfect for toddlers learning about colors and shapes. If you have young children just starting their educational journey, this is a great way to introduce them to STEM concepts while having fun. It's also a fantastic way to create memorable family bonding time. What people say. My 2-year-old son loved them. Magnetics were strong, size is perfect, allows for a while of creativity, easy to use, overall great value, now I have to buy more for him. These magnetic tiles are high quality and connect together easily. The magnets are strong enough to hold shapes together, but not too strong to frustrate children and adults. They combine in a wide variety of ways and spark interest in playing with them. These magnetic tiles are a hit in our house. Honestly, I think I enjoy them even more than my toddler. She's still in the stacking stage, but the tiles snap together effortlessly and feel sturdy in little hands. Number 4. PLAYVIBE Magnetic Tiles, 60-piece set. Discover the world of shapes and colors with this magnetic tile set. It's designed to spark curiosity and encourage creative thinking in children aged 3 to 12. This set enhances spatial awareness. Made from premium plastic, these magnetic blocks are built to last. The smooth edges and robust design ensure safe and engaging play for hours. It's a great addition to any kindergarten classroom. These magnetic blocks are perfect for little hands, helping to develop fine motor skills. Whether playing alone or with friends, it promotes individual growth and collaborative learning. It's ideal for kids aged 3 to 12. Enjoy easy connections with the secure magnets. This feature expands creative possibilities in any setting. They are also compatible with other magnet tiles, enhancing imaginative building projects. Looking for a great gift? These magnetic tiles are ideal for birthdays and more. The vibrant colors and interactive designs offer endless fun. It is perfect for any block area toys for preschool. What we like. This set encourages creative STEM exploration. If you are looking for a toy that enhances spatial awareness and creative thinking, this is a great choice. It's designed to foster fine motor skills, making it perfect for solo or group play. What people say. My grandson still loves it 2 years later. Easy to store, easy to keep together, and keeps his mind creating new things. It never gets old. His mind is always going and he loves to create new things for whatever he's most into at the time. Paw Patrol, PJ Masks, superheroes, they all live here in his make-believe towers, cages, vehicles, and whatever he wants to imagine. Magnetic still works like the first day. My son is learning to put the shapes together and name each color more clearly. He really has a lot of fun with these magnets and stays busy for hours. It's good for all ages and it keeps them busy. My kids are always using their creativity to make new things. Number 3. SmartMax Safari Animals Magnetic Building Set. Introducing the SmartMax Safari Animal Set. This magnetic building set lets your child explore the animal kingdom. They can build their favorite safari animals with ease. Designed for young children, this set makes learning fun. It introduces them to magnetism and STEM concepts in a playful way. They'll have a blast creating rhinos, giraffes, and more. With SmartMax, kids can build a rhino, giraffe, elephant, hippo, lion, and crocodile. Or, they can mix and match for crazy creations. The possibilities are endless with this engaging set. The set includes 18 colorful pieces with large, strong bars. The animals are soft and friendly to the touch, ensuring safe play. It's easy for little hands to click the animals together. All SmartMax sets are compatible, so the fun never stops. This award-winning set is built with high-quality, sonically welded materials. Let your child's imagination run wild. What we like. This set offers STEM learning fun with a focus on safari animals. If you like toys that are easy for young children to handle and enjoy, this is a great option. It's a great introduction to magnetism and STEM concepts in general, and the soft animals are friendly to the touch. What people say. They are able to make fun variations with the animals and the toys are a very nice quality. Good quality toys that last and the children enjoy. Can mix and match the middle magnets. Number 2. National Geographic Magnetic Marble Run, STEM Building Set. This patented marble racetrack is a Kickstarter success. It's the most backed magnetic puzzle ever. Each track and trick has unique properties, allowing you to create exciting pathways. This creative puzzle includes tracks, connectors, trick pieces, and marbles. It offers infinite building combinations and endless fun. It's a great way to spark creativity. This STEM marble maze can be built on any vertical magnetic surface. You can build it on the fridge, lockers, whiteboards, or workbenches. The possibilities are endless. The secure snap-fit connectors eliminate frustration. Detailed instructions show you how to use each piece. A learning guide teaches about physics and engineering. Blue Marble, the developer, won the Toy of the Year award. They create products that foster education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a US support team. What we like. This magnetic marble run is a Kickstarter superstar. If you are looking for a super puzzle with infinite building combinations, this is the one. It can be built on any vertical magnetic surface, offering endless creative fun. What people say. The magnets are strong and sturdy, making it easy for little hands to assemble and disassemble the pieces without frustration. I love how this set encourages creativity and problem solving while also teaching basic STEM concepts in such a fun and engaging way. The magnetic tiles stick well to a magnetic board or the fridge, and the clear plastic track pieces let you see the marbles race through, which adds a fun visual element. Number 1. Magnetic tiles building blocks for kids. These magnetic tiles are a fantastic way to spark your child's imagination. They come in various shapes and colors, allowing kids to build anything they can dream up. It's a hands-on way to express their creativity. These building blocks are more than just toys, they're educational tools. They introduce children to STEM concepts like shapes, colors, and magnetic force. They'll develop crucial skills while having fun. Keep kids engaged and away from screens with these sensory toys. They're perfect for family time and classroom use, teaching shapes, colors, and more. It encourages kids to work together and share ideas. Safety is a top priority with these magnetic toys. They're made from non-toxic materials with rounded corners. The design ensures they're strong and safe for kids to enjoy without constant supervision. Looking for a great gift? These magnetic tiles are a hit with kids. They love to build and create, and the bright colors make them engaging. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. This set is designed for sensory and STEM learning. If you are looking for a toy that keeps kids focused and away from screens, this is a great choice. It encourages kids to work together and develop social skills, making it a must-have for every classroom and family. What people say. You can make all kinds of structures and they hold up for years. I like it has various colors and could connect to other magnet tiles collection. This kept my kiddo busy for hours while I was preparing for dinner. Lots of fun for toddlers. The quality is good, the dimensions are standard and compatible with other brands I have. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.